Hello loves, it's Ada's Recipes here. How are you doing? Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I share how to make pita bread, aka shawarma bread. As you guys can see, this shawarma bread is foldable. You can fold it to any direction. As you guys can see, this is easy to come up with. Continue watching as I share how to make this perfect shawarma bread. In a clean plate, put yeast, then sugar, add warm water to activate the yeast. Stir, cover and set aside. In a clean bowl, sift your flour, add salt, sugar, milk. So this is activated yeast. Add it to the flour, then combine to get a dough. Add vegetable oil and mix to combine. Grease the bowl, then place the dough, cover and leave for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, here is the dough. Transfer to a flat surface and continue to knead. Grease your palm to avoid the dough sticking to your palm. So this is what we have. Next, cut the dough into balls to enable us easily spread the dough. So as you guys can see, we have 6 balls here. Sprinkle some flour on the work surface, then spread the dough using a rolling pin like so. You want to roll it into a round shape. You can as well use a round object to get a perfect round shape. So place in a heated pan. So heat this on a low medium heat. Flip over to the other side. This process should take about 5 minutes total. So as you guys can see, our shawarma bread is ready. Okay, put it in a damp cloth or towel. As you guys can see, it's very foldable. So it's easy to make, as you guys can see. For the ingredients and measurement, check the description box. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.